Hey guys, this is Jamin Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I'm here to do a video response for scrapdiva29 because she is having a little challenge because she has hit her 11,000. Yes, 11,000. Isn't that crazy that somebody can, have 11,000 subscribers? Oh my gosh. So that's so crazy. Woohoo. Congrats, chicky poo, 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 poo. Congrats. What is congrats? Congrats, chicky poo, 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 poo. Woo. So anyway, she is having a challenge. So look in the description box and you can see her link because I will try to remember to put it in there. And she wanted a memory dex card, a mini stuffed envelope thing, and 2 tags in baking themes, and they're supposed to be in pastel colors. So I'll show you what I used and then I'll show you the project. So I use this stamp right here and it's in upside down, so I'm going to turn it around so you can see it. That stamp, and it is from Graphic 45. I love Graphic 45. So fun. I used this die set because she's absolutely pretty. She's gorgeous. I used this one. I used this one from my Spellbinders die kit. And I used the cupcake. And then I used my X-Cut cooking die set. Fabulousness. So those are my little tools. And then for paper, I just used paper that was around here. Some is some Basil cardstock and others or some other stuff around here. So here's my little bag all together. Look at that. So there's the letters and there's the letters and there's letters there. Here's some of those dies off of the cooking set. And then you can see how the cupcake works. It's got 2 layers for the actual cupcake wrapper kind of thing, and then it has 2 layers for the frosting with the little cherry. So I put good eats. And then here is my memory dex card. Had to put my little brown girl on here. There she's dancing. So I put some little music notes left over from a previous project, and then Poet Spice. And then on the back, she wants your information, and so I just kind of did another die cut on the back of that. So when you look at the envelope now, you can see it says yum. There's another cupcake and an oven mitt. A little, I don't know if the lines are showing, but it's a little like muffin tin. And then back here in the back are my 2 tags. And this is the first one. So you see that Graphic 45 stamp. Oh, and I forgot to show you this die, but you can see the die. It's a Spellbinder set as well. And a little cupcake again with the cherry. And I went ahead and just tied a bow on the tags, but she could untie them and retie them any way she wanted to. And then on the back, it's just blank. And I used some shiny, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a pearlized paper. And then this one coordinates, because y'all know I can't do matchy-matchy. So they coordinate versus matchy-matchy. So I went with round tags. And that is my project. So I hope you like it, dear Chicky Poo. And it'll be going in the mail probably on Tuesday, because there is no mail on Monday because it's President's Day. And I don't think I'm going out Saturday. So that is my envelope for scrapdiva29. Hope you like it, Chicky Poo. All right, you guys, check out her channel, and I shall see you later. Thanks for watching.